Hello guys, in this video I tell you that how to donate a car in California. So we open Google Chrome browser in my mobile and write down here how to donate a car in California. After write down this, press enter. After this, you will see there are a large number of results will be shown on your mobile. So you can open these results anyone. California, your car donation can help a veteran in need. A vehicle donation to vehicles for veterans could give you an opportunity to help provide a better life for a disabled veteran. A car donation to vehicle for veterans can help provide strength and encouragement to veterans who have served the country. From finding housing to covering medical care, veterans face a number of challenges when they return home. Your car donation can help fund disabled and other veteran programs that make life easier for veterans. Why donate a car in California to help veterans? Just think about all of those men and women who have served our country and have helped to make it a safer place to live. There are many veterans who are in need of your help, and your car donation can be the perfect way to give back. Plus, when you donate a vehicle to vehicles for veterans, you receive many great benefits. Number 1, you provide a better life for veterans and their families. Number 2, you receive fast and free pickup or towing of your vehicle from cities like Los Angeles, Long Beach, San Diego, San Francisco, Sacramento, and everywhere else in the state. Number 3, your donation is completely tax deductible. Number 4, the donation process is easy. You can donate online or by calling 1-855-811-4838. Thanks.